believe it or not, I have actually started on my project. It doesn't look like it, but I will show you what I did. I'll put the link in the description for a video that explains a lot of this in detail, a little more detail, but I buffed it all so I can see all my dents, both sides, marked them all, so I can take pictures, so I know where they all are, so I get them on the first try. But so that's what I've done so far. I'll be adjusting panels here in a little bit. And you can see there's a lot of little dents, a lot of little dings, which you would expect for something that's, you know, a few decades old and that lived on an Air Force base somewhere. So don't pay attention to the tailgate. That's just in there to plug the hole for now. This side I haven't marked my dents yet, so I still got to do that. And interesting thing with this color now, I'm having second thoughts on not painting it this color. I'll tell you why. So this is an Air Force truck, as I've mentioned several times. This color was not available to the general public. You or I could never go into the dealership and order anything this color. This was an Air Force only color. And I don't know if the Army had one the same way, Marines, Navy, I don't know. I don't know that. But for sure this one, because no color book, like PPG color book, does not have this code. I can't find this code, any reference to it online, anywhere. It's factory code. I was able to get a hold of the PPG color library, and they said they don't have a formula for this color anymore, but they had like 3 other colors that were extremely close to it, and they gave the formulas, and they're all in, what do they call it, Del Fleet, which is a fleet only paint, which is like it's a super heavy duty paint, which would make sense for something like this. I doubt that's what they put on at the factory, but maybe they did, because it seems like where it's not burned off on the top from the sun, on the sides it's in pretty nice shape. It buffed out nice. So because it's an odd color, and I like odd things amongst odd things, I kind of maybe want to keep it. I don't know. It's not an inherently bad color. It's just kind of boring. It's just a solid blue. Ugh. But I know dang well there's not going to be another one at any car show, any parking lot that's going to be painted the same, unless again it's an old Air Force rig, which there's probably not that many of those left anymore. But if I do keep it this color, I'm still going to do the same thing that I'm going to do with the red if I go red, and I'm going to put the chrome trim on here, put the chrome molding around the back, paint the roof white, put the chrome wheels on, you know, new mirrors, that kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't know yet. I have a ways to go before I start buying paint. So I will finish marking my dents on this side, take more pictures, get my body panels all lined up the way they should be, and then a couple other little things, and I can start taking it apart.